All right, so we're gonna try to tackle some of this stuff today. It's a nice day outside, so we're gonna try to get some of this greenage, some of this brush and stuff out of here. I got my little helper here. She's gonna try to help me get some of this stuff cleaned up. All right, so as you can see here, I'm trying to cut this down, trying to clean this up a little bit. Before, you really couldn't walk, through here. So I'm trying to clean this path so that we can get some of this stuff out of here and start working on this roof part here and start getting it taken apart. And then over here on the other side, I know it's kind of hard to tell from the camera, but there's all the stuff I cut, which is right there. And then on this side, just tried to cut this bush thing back a little bit, so once again we have a path kind of there, and then you're not getting hit in the face. And then now that this is kind of cut back, when I mow the next time, I can start to mow over that and keep that cut back. Still got a lot of work to do. And then over here, I haven't even started over here yet, but I want to kind of just clear out this side for now. But this side will be coming next. All right, so got a little bit of this stuff cleaned up. It's gonna take a while. I mean, between the rain and the weather, and still got to get a basement done and fighting with snakes. I wish I could have got that on camera, but I was too late getting over there. But I kind of saw it out of the corner of my eye. But yeah, so just keep on working at it. Man, it's been a crazy week this week. Lots of rain, storms. Luckily, in our area, we didn't really get a whole lot of really bad storms. I have a few limbs that are down, but nothing major. I know in certain areas of, I think like Kentucky and Tennessee, Oklahoma, Texas, they got some really bad storms and tornadoes and stuff like that. Luckily, we didn't get any of that kind of stuff, but it's been dry the last couple of days, so it's time to get back to work, get some of this stuff done. I'm gonna work on this shed some more today, so let's get at it. right, as you saw, I'm starting to peel off this roof here a little bit, kind of make it a little bit lighter. We need to move it away from that fence. So hopefully, maybe within the next couple days or so, we'll get some more of that done. But just trying to clear it out, trying to clear out some brush from over there on the other side. It's been a pretty big job.